salam kenal. Saya HITOMI, pelajar Akademi Seni Sky. Saya lahir di Jepun tapi sudah tinggal di Malaysia sejak kecil lagi. Saya suka sambal belacan. Tiba-tiba pula. Hari tu kecoh dekat akademi tentang audition untuk jadi VTuber Sky TV. Saya pun apa lagi, tak naklah lepaskan peluang keemasan ni kan. Sebab itulah saya hantar tip audition ni. Saya harap saya boleh berkongsi info mengenai negara Jepun dan negara Malaysia kepada ramai orang melalui Sky TV. Jadi sila pilih saya sebagai VTuber Sky TV dengan klik butang thumbs up ni ya. Itu saja. Terima kasih korang. Hi guys, nice to meet you. I am HITOMI, a student of Sky Art Academy. I was born in Japan but have been living in Malaysia since I was little. I love sambal belacan. Sorry, that's kinda exaggerated. Well, it was fussy the other day about the audition to be VTuber of Sky TV. So I was like, let's go because I don't want to miss this opportunity, and that's why I am sending this audition tape. I hope I can share more interesting information about Japan and Malaysia to the world through Sky TV. So please choose me to be the VTuber of Sky TV by clicking the thumbs up button ya. That's all. Thanks guys.